In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization tokens to an email subject line in HubSpot. Personalizing your subject lines is a simple way to grab attention and make your emails feel more relevant to each recipient. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps inside HubSpot, and I'll also give you a few tips so you know what's happening at each stage and why it matters. First, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left panel and locate the marketing section. Hover your mouse over marketing to expand the options that sit underneath it. From that expanded list, click on email. This will take you to your email tool where you can see a list of all your marketing emails. From your email list, find the specific email where you want to add a personalization token to the subject line. Take your time to confirm you've picked the right one, especially if you have multiple similar email names or versions. When you've found it, hover your cursor over that email. You'll see some options appear, and from there, click on Edit. This opens up the email editor so you can adjust the subject and content. Inside the editor, look for the subject field at the top of the email setup page. This is where you normally type the subject line that your contacts will see in their inbox. When you click into this area, you'll notice that its settings open up on the left panel, giving you more control over how the subject line is configured. In the subject line field, click the option labeled Personalize. This is what allows you to pull in information directly from your contact records. A drop-down will appear. In this drop-down, first click the field for type, then select the type of personalization you want to use, such as contact or company, depending on what's available in your portal. Next, click the drop-down field for token. Here, choose the specific token you'd like to insert. For example, you might choose a first name or a company name, depending on your strategy. Once you've selected the token, click Insert. You'll see the token added directly into the subject line as a placeholder. From this point, HubSpot automatically saves your changes, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. Your subject line is now set up with personalization, and when the email is sent, HubSpot will replace that token with each recipient's actual data.